Today we are going to see a lesson, A Poison Tree. It was written by William Flake. William Flake is an English poet. He have he have he has imaginary thoughts. In this poem also he expressed his imaginary thoughts, revolutionary thoughts. His famous poems are Lamb and the Tiger. In this poem, A Poison Tree, in the poet discuss about the angriness, how the angriness destroyed his enemy. Yeah, I was angry with my friend. A man was angry with his friend. I told my wrath. Wrath means angry. He expressed his anger with his friends. My wrath did end. So his angriness come to end. Come to end means vanished. His angriness disappeared, vanished. I was angry with my foe. One day he was angry with his enemy. Foe means enemy. I told it not. He didn't express his angry because he was enemy. If he told expressed his anger, the enemy maybe did him harm. My wrath did grow. He suppressed his anger in his heart, so the angriness grew in his heart, and it watered it in fear. The man was feared about his enemy because if he expressed his angriness, in the enemy maybe did him harm. So he didn't express his anger, but he is feared. The tree was, when you watered a tree, it grew. The man watered his anger with fear. The angriness also growing in his heart. Night and morning with my tears. Night and morning he shed tears because of the fears about his enemy. He thought about his evils done by his enemy, and night and morning he shed tears. And it sunned it with smile. When he saw his enemy, he greeted his enemy with a smile. He guided his angriness by smiling face and with soft, deceitful will. Will means cunningly, trick and cunningly, deceitful means cheating. He cheating his enemy, trickily facing his enemy by a cunning smile. And it grew both day and night. It means angry. His angriness grew day and night, till it bore an apple bright. His anger yield a bright apple. His angry growing like a bright apple. And my foe behold it shine. His enemy saw the shining apple, and he knew that it was mine. In the enemy, he means enemy. The enemy know that it was the man's apple, and into my garden stole. The enemy entered into his garden to steal the shining apple. When the night had veiled the pole, it was a night time. Then pole means pole star, veiled means hidden. In the darkness, in the darkness, the pole stars are disappeared. In the morning, glad I see. In the morning, the man was very happy because my foe outstretched beneath the tree. His enemy stole the bright apple and eat it and lay down under the dead tree. In the bright apple is poisonous. Why it is poisonous? The angriness of the person, the angriness of a person is yield a bright apple. So the angriness changed into a poisonous apple. In the enemy eat apple and lay down deadly under the tree. In this poem, the poet compared the angry with the poison and compare the angry man with a poisonous tree. The poisonous tree one day yield a poisonous apple. That means the person's angriness one day killed the enemy. The person angry one day killed the enemy. The anger expressed is anger distressed. Anger redressed. The anger expressed is anger redressed. When he expressed angry with his friend, his anger disappeared. So the anger expressed is anger distressed. The anger with enemy didn't exposed. So the anger suppressed is anger increased. The increased anger became a poisonous apple and killed the enemy. Now we see the rhyming words. Friend, end are rhyming words. Foe, crow, rhyming word. Fear, tears, rhyming word. Smile, whiles, rhyming word. Night, bright, rhyming word. Sign, mind, rhyming word. Stole, pole, rhyming words. See, tree, rhyming words. Now we see the rhyming scheme. Rhyming scheme of the first stanza is A, B, B. Fear, tear. It give a same sound, so you give a same letter A. Smile will give the same sound, so you give B. The second stanza, the rhyming scheme of the second stanza is A, B. Rhyming scheme of third stanza also A, B. The night and bright give the same sound. Sign and mind give the same sound. So the rhyming scheme is A, B. The fourth stanza rhyming scheme is A, B. Stole and pools are rhyming word. So you give the same letter A. See and the trees are rhyming word. You give the same letter B. The rhyming scheme is A, B. Appreciate figure of speech. Now we are going to see a figure of speech. Poison tree. In the poison tree is compared to the angry man. So it is metaphor. When two things are compared without as if like, it is called as metaphor. Next, anaphora. The first stanza, the first letter I is repeated. The repetition of first word in a sentence is called as anaphora. Also in the second stanza, and the repetition of first word is called as anaphora. In the third stanza, and is repeated. So figure of speech is anaphora. Next, water it in fears. Here the water is compared to the fears. When you watering the plant, it's grow. The man angry is grow with fears. So the water is compared to the fear. It is metaphor. Thank you.